Hey guys, and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about Crypto Trend Rider. This is a new program that my friend suggested me to try it out. I'm a new investor in cryptocurrency, just recently started trading, and I get these crazy profits with exceptional ROI. I just want to show you how it looks, how it works, and maybe you'll get a chance to gain some profits for yourself. Let me show you. This is the main page, okay? They got these crazy tutorials, all explained everything, how they get the signals and how you can get the profits, how to sign up to exchanges, basically everything from the first step to the step where you get your money and buy yourself whatever you want. So you can sign up here, easy access with Facebook or Google, which is amazing, and their top 5 signals, and I actually got the chance to gain some for myself. Let me show you. Thanks for watching.